You're looking for the best hacks to make travel fun again. No more waiting at the baggage carousel. No more fighting for overhead space. I may have the answers for you, or I may have made a huge mistake, so keep watching to see. Today, I'll show you travel organization and packing hacks with a free packing checklist and the best packing cubes and luggage. Let's get started at Walmart. I'm going to be packing the 16-inch underseater with some laundry mesh bags from Dollar Tree, as well as some of their purse organizers. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that my husband and I are going to be grandparents this summer, and so I want to get my grandma bag all put together, and my goal was to be able to carry everything on the plane, put it under the seat, and get on and off as quickly as possible. If you have joint or mobility issues, this travel organization and these packing hacks are for you. Welcome to Skip to My Life. Print out the free travel list I'm providing for you, and you can keep this with you a week or 2 weeks before your trip and just jot down those things you use and need for travel and in your everyday life. After I made out my travel essential list, I color-coded it by things that were liquid and needed to be in a special TSA approved container, and those things that I would be wearing on my trip and I didn't need to pack. That left everything else to fit in my suitcase, and it made my packing so much easier. Let me show you the 16-inch underseat bag that I'm going to attempt to pack a week and a half to 2 weeks of items in. It does have a 5-year guarantee, and it also has a lot of other features you would find on a bag you'd pay much more for. It has a telescoping handle with wheels, which were essential for me, and I did give it a test drive all around Walmart before I bought it. The wheels are good. They're not fantastic, but I think they're going to do the trick for what I need it for. I'm going to show you travel organization and packing hacks for this very small bag that has 3 pockets on the inside as well as 3 pockets on the outside. No matter what size suitcase and luggage you're using, whether you're traveling by air or by ground, I think you'll find some great travel hacks in this video. And if you decide to, you can always use this bag with a larger piece of luggage. It does have that slide-on feature. No matter how much we're looking forward to our trip, it can be really tempting to overpack just to provide all those little comforts of home. One of the things I've discovered to help me avoid overpacking is to bring all those personal comforts from home in travel size containers. So here are a few of my must-haves for travel. This next packing hack will take us back to Walmart, but we're going to the craft section, someplace you may not have thought of for traveling and organization. I found this 6-piece cylinder that I labeled really clearly with my Cricut Joy so that I can see these contents even without my glasses on. If you're not able to get out to your local Walmart, no worries. I have left links below to everything I'm using in this video, and all you need to do is click on it and order. These travel organizers come in both clear and blue. I'm using the clear for ointments and the blue for liquids, and I'll show you how I'm going to keep that separate in just a minute. Most of these contents are self-explanatory, but the Versed cream I use to take off waterproof eye makeup, and it works beautifully. So if you've never heard of that, you may want to give that one a try. I'm using 2 of these vinyl purse organizers from Dollar Tree, and in one I'll be placing all the liquids that I'll need to take out of my bag for the TSA check. These silicone dispensers from Five Below are some of my favorites, and they come in much cheaper than even Dollar Tree containers. Now that we have the liquids bag all packed, let's pack everything that's remaining in our other purse organizer. This 2-sided storage box comes from the Walmart craft section again, and it has 16 different compartments. So we're going to use that to hold some commonly used medicines and also some other tools that are going to be helpful during the trip. Because these compartments are not really very big, I'm using it for common medicines as well as some Band-Aids, some heel pads, some safety pins, and things that I would use on a common trip. So comment below and let me know if there's anything in here that you would have placed in that maybe I forgot, or other ways we could use this box. As you can see, it fits beautifully in the Dollar Tree purse organizer, and I still have a lot of room left over for my makeup brushes and my makeup remover cloth. My goal is to make up a list of things that I need for this particular trip, and then every time I return to visit my grandkids, all I need to do is get out that same list. Now, if you're like me and you have trips that you take frequently to the same place, it's going to really streamline your packing process if you know ahead of time what you need to take and you have it written down. The Dollar Tree purse organizers we packed in fit perfectly in the sides of this little bag. And now when I need to take it out and lay it on the conveyor belt, I can do that and put it right back in and be on my way. So once I've reached my destination, I no longer need to keep all those liquids in the same bag for the TSA check. So once I'm in my hotel room or wherever I'm staying, I'm gonna divide these same 2 bags into makeup and things like that. And then these are toiletries like deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrushes, and things like that. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use that to free up a lot of counter space. This next travel hack may be my very favorite of this video. I have been looking for a long time for a suction cup hook that actually stays in place, and I think I found it at Walmart. Now, this is not an expensive hook. It comes in 1 per pack or 2 per pack, and it also comes with this little shield on the back. I would save that and set it aside, and I'll show you why. Place this on your smooth surface and then take the heel of your hand and press hard. You will feel a pop and that silicone suction cup will stay put. These hooks are not expensive, but they would be perfect to hold much larger cosmetic bags as well as mirrors and all kinds of other items that you want to stay off your counters. You could even take one of these hooks in your carry-on and take it into the bathroom to freshen up in between flights or during a layover. Once your trip is over and you're ready to leave, remove the suction cups by taking a credit card and gently breaking the seal on that silicone suction cup. It comes off like a charm, and then you'll want to take the little plastic protector that you removed in the beginning and place that back on the silicone suction cup so that it stays ready for your next trip. For most of us, clothing takes up the majority of room in our luggage, so I want to show you a few packing hacks and some travel organization that are going to make the very most of your space. I like to include my travel day wardrobe in my packing list. This way I can wear my bulkiest items on the plane or in the car, and I don't have to take up that precious space in my luggage. These Skechers slip-ons are my new favorites for getting my shoes on and off quickly. At just $1.25 for 3 of these zippable garment bags, they are the least expensive packing cubes that you will find, and they fit perfectly in the bag we're going to use. And here's a Dollar Tree travel hack that I had passed probably 100 times. These $5 leggings are beautiful, and they fit and feel incredible. I also shopped Walmart's men's section for some oversized t-shirts that are going to be great to rotate through my travel outfits. Make sure you watch to the end because I'm going to teach you how to pack that sling bag that you see me wearing. When you want to get the very most out of the luggage that you have, it's important to pack and use those packing cubes the most efficiently. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways to pack any packing cube that you may be using. This first method is just rolling the clothes up and squeezing them in side by side to get the most out of your space. For the second idea, use a larger stretchy garment like this bathrobe and lay everything inside it. Fold everything up to match the size of the packing cube and then fit it in just like an envelope. Depending on the size of your luggage, these Dollar Tree garment bags may be the best packing cubes that I've ever found. I have much more expensive ones, but these work beautifully, particularly for this size of luggage. In my case, I will have access to a washer and dryer, so I'm only bringing 5 sets of clothing, and the rest of my undergarments and socks are going on those side pockets. Once you reach your travel destination, you may go to hang things up and realize that they're really wrinkled. So there's two solutions for this. If you have access to a dryer, go ahead and throw everything in the dryer on the low setting and just shake those wrinkles out. If you don't, put as many things as you can on a hanger and turn the shower on hot and steamy. And this way you'll get those wrinkles started shaking out so that by the time you wear the outfit, it'll look great. Shoes are one of the bulkiest items in our luggage. Fortunately, it's warm weather and the shoes I'm bringing don't take up much space, but these packing hacks will help you no matter what kind of shoes you're bringing. First of all, I found that I need fewer pairs of shoes than I usually think I do. And secondly, I'll wear my bulkiest pair of shoes during the travel days. I'm sealing each pair of the sandals in a Ziploc bag that I know that I can use later. And in this suitcase, we have a hidden compartment by unzipping that back. Now, I've had a lot of pieces of luggage that have had this feature and I've never really thought about how to use it, but it does use the space between those metal bars really efficiently. Now the packing cubes fit in without any trouble, and we even have a little bit of room to spare. Let me know if your bag is more full on the trip there or on the trip back. I personally like to leave a little space if I need to bring souvenirs or something else back. And this jewelry hack will help make the very most of your remaining space. Just string your necklace through any plastic straw, and then you can pierce the ends of that straw with the matching earrings, and you'll have one set of jewelry ready to go. This travel hack costs almost nothing, and you can use as many straws as you need for the sets of jewelry that you have. I went through years of packing all kinds of hairstyling accessories, and now I've got it narrowed down to just this Revlon blow dry and curl in one. So I highly recommend that if you haven't tried it. Well, I surprised myself by being able to fit in almost everything I need in this tiny suitcase, but we're still not done. If you have a little bit more space in your luggage, here are some excellent ideas to give you even more storage capacity. Walmart carries this space-saving duffel bag that folds out and then it folds back down to a very small size. So if you're bringing things that you're going to leave at your destination, you'll just be able to fold that up and pack it. If you're going to a destination where you know you'll be coming back with a lot of souvenirs, you can pop this bag out and fill it. This collapsible double, just like the 16-inch suitcase I showed you, has a travel sleeve, so you can also fit this over the handle of a larger bag. You may not know that Walmart's plastic luggage tags are even less expensive than Dollar Tree's, but I have to tell you that I found some really cute luggage tags at Dollar Tree. So at either price, whatever you like would be adorable on your bag and set it apart. I also found this bargain bundle of 5 vinyl see-through bags from Walmart. The larger one has a really sturdy handle that can hold full-size items. These bags are really durable and they get almost 5 stars with hundreds of reviews on Walmart's website. I am loving all things Guru Nanda brand at Dollar Tree, especially this collapsible toothbrush. Instead of liquid facial cleanser, bring an erase your face towel. You can wring it out, hang it up, and use it over and over. For that personal item, I am bringing a crossbody sling bag. I used to bring a purse or a backpack, but I am loving all the compartments that I found in this bag, and it holds everything I need and leaves my hands free. These prices at Walmart on the travel items I'm showing you can really not be beat. And what I love is that I can bring it home and try it out without having to guess what it'll be like by ordering on Amazon. The main compartment held a water bottle, my wallet, a book, and it had a special place for my phone. The front pocket easily held my sunglasses, and there's even a secret compartment for your ID or passport. Dollar Tree carries these flat flashlights that would come in handy on a car trip or in an airplane. This Neutrogena multi-stick works for lipstick, blush, and even eyeshadow. And this lip balm offers 45 SPF, so you can use it wherever you need sun protection. If you're like me and you're always losing your earbuds, go to the party section at Walmart and pick up these 4 glitter purses. They fit earbuds perfectly. All you need to do is zip tie them to your purse handle or your crossbody handle. When you click that like button, it lets me know that you love this, and it also sends a little message to YouTube that us women over 50 love these kinds of YouTube videos. If you've gotten a lot of great ideas, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. That way you're first in line for all the new ideas. Click on the link in my description box to get 14 pages of household labels, and you'll also be subscribed to my weekly email newsletter where I tell you what's coming up and all the behind the scenes. Well, I'm going to be calling this my grandma bag, and I am so excited to make the first of, I hope, many trips to see my grandkids and to be able to just grab this bag and run off the plane and give them a big hug. Don't forget, today, my friend, is not the end of your story, so do not give up.